Hey there, folks! Welcome to today's video. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of multi-bagger stocks, and we'll be taking cues from the legendary story of Mr. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala's journey with Titan stock. So, picture this. Mr. Jhunjhunwala began investing in Titan at a mere Rs3 back in 2002. Fast forward to today, and that same stock is trading at over Rs3000. Yes, you heard that right, a staggering 1,000 times gain. Not 1,000%, but 1,000 times. It's the stuff of dreams, isn't it? Many of us fantasize about finding that one golden stock that transforms our lives, making investing seem like a breeze. But let's face it, the hunt for multi-baggers can sometimes feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. It's risky, it's uncertain, yet the allure of massive returns keeps us hooked. So, can we really find multi-baggers? Is there a method to the madness? Well, while I can't promise you a surefire formula, I can certainly share some insights that might tilt the odds in your favor. In this video, we're going to do 3 things. Firstly, I'll share a framework to improve your odds of finding the next multi-bagger. Second, we'll discuss key considerations when applying this framework. And finally, I'll highlight some stocks I believe have the potential to become multi-baggers, along with my investment strategy for them. Now, let's delve into the Titan story. You see, what's fascinating about Mr. Jhunjhunwala's investment in Titan is that it wasn't a clear-cut decision. At the time, Titan was facing internal challenges, with declining profits and management issues. Yet, Mr. Jhunjhunwala saw something others didn't. He recognized a hidden gem amidst the chaos. So what can we learn from Titan's journey? Here's a framework to guide your quest for multi-baggers. Step 1. Diversify your investments. Betting on just a handful of stocks is like playing roulette with your money. Spread your bets across multiple opportunities, just like Mr. Jhunjhunwala did. Step 2. Look for companies facing temporary setbacks. Contrary to popular belief, studying financial data alone won't lead you to multi-baggers. Instead, focus on firms with recent challenges that have affected their stock prices. These are often overlooked gems ripe for the picking. Step 3. Embrace contrarianism. The best multi-baggers often arise from unconventional bets. Just look at Titan. It wasn't a crowd favorite when Mr. Jhunjhunwala invested in it. So, don't be afraid to swim against the tide. Step 4. Ride the wave of megatrends. Identify industries poised for exponential growth, fueled by broader socioeconomic shifts. For instance, the rise in discretionary income drove Titan's success over the years, so keep an eye on societal trends shaping consumer behavior. Step 5. Seek companies with low PEs and high EPS growth potential. Remember Equitas Small Finance Bank. Despite its recent gains, the stock's PE remains reasonable, signaling room for further growth. Look for similar opportunities where the fundamentals align with future prospects. Now, let's talk picks. I'm bullish on gaming stocks like Delta Corp and Nazara Tech. Why? The gaming industry is booming, and these companies are well positioned to capitalize on the trend. Plus, they offer a contrarian play in a market dominated by traditional sectors. But wait, there's a caveat. Avoid industries already riding high on tailwinds. Take defense stocks, for example. While the narrative may sound promising, regulatory uncertainties and inflated valuations make them risky bets. Lastly, patience is key. Multi-baggers don't happen overnight. Just look at Titan's journey. It endured years of stagnation before skyrocketing to success. So, stay invested, even when the road gets bumpy. And that wraps up our guide to finding multi-bagger stocks. Remember, it's not about chasing quick wins. It's about spotting hidden gems and staying the course. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like, share it with friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more investing tips and insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy investing!